Photosynthesis by Caroline Southwell and Payton Lee. How does photosynthesis work? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and other organisms convert light energy into chemical energy or energy for themselves. So the only types of plants that can go through photosynthesis are green plants, otherwise known as plants containing chlorophyll, and these plants capture light energy and they can convert the light energy and all of its minerals, carbon dioxide, and water into organic, energy-rich compounds and oxygen. So as you can see right here, we have this lovely picture from Khan Academy, which clearly explains the photosynthesis equation. It looks like this. So there are 6 carbon dioxide and 6 water molecules, and they react with sunlight, otherwise known as photosynthesize. And the product of this reaction is glucose and oxygen, and these are what plants use as energy. So the green plants that go through this process are considered autotrophs, and this means that they use sunlight and simple or inorganic molecules to photosynthesize organic matter. They take inorganic energy and turn it into their own food. So how do humans get their energy from plants, and what exactly is this energy? So after the plants photosynthesize and they look fresh and green, they can be put on a delicious dinner plate. Whether you're eating a green smoothie, a salad, or just a side plate at dinner, you're always going to get your energy from your greens. The energy from the greens will transfer into the consumer or the person who's eating it. So if a plant that has gone through photosynthesis and this whole process but wasn't consumed by a living thing, then it will decompose into the ground and it will be left off as organic matter and then soon become fossil fuels.
Though humans cannot produce the same energy that comes from plants, they still need to consume it, which is why they are considered heterotrophs. Humans sustain themselves by eating plants and other animals. These animals sustain themselves by eating plants. Plants are an essential part of energy for all life on Earth. They're the first and most important part of the food chain.
As mentioned previously, this energy all comes from the process of photosynthesis. One essential part of photosynthesis is the use of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in plants. It absorbs energy from sunlight to produce carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water during photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is super important for plants, but it has also been utilized directly by humans.
We know that plants can transfer their energy to humans, but can plants transfer their chlorophyll to humans, and does it have any benefit?
Recently, social media has become a huge part of mainstream culture, especially amidst the pandemic. One social media platform which has really gained popularity is TikTok. TikTok has a variety of content, all of which are videos under 1 minute. TikTok has started many huge trends, whether it be fashion, music, or even chemistry related.
One trend in particular has focused on chlorophyll and the potential benefits it has for humans. Many TikTok users have purchased chlorophyll drops, which they put on their skin, in their water, and typically consume. Many people claim that chlorophyll drops have helped their physical health. It is said to have helped with weight loss, reducing acne or redness, boosting energy, and many other things. Is this phenomenon false information or an amazing new innovation? Magazine's nutrition editor, Cynthia Sass, wanted to answer this question. She is a New York Times bestselling author and a private practice performance nutritionist who has consulted for multiple professional sports teams. She believes that there is not enough evidence to back these claims. Though research has been done on chlorophyll and its potential use for humans, studies have focused on topical use. There are lots of unknowns when it comes to human consumption of chlorophyll, like proper dosage and possible side effects. There's practically no research on chlorophyll's effects when it is consumed by humans, and this could be cause for concern. Because this area has not been studied in depth, we really don't know the biological effects it can have. This does not discredit TikTok users' claims of its positive effects, but it also does not corroborate them. From Cynthia Sass's perspective, the potential risks are unknown, and therefore it may be best to stray away from partaking in this particular trend.
In conclusion, if photosynthesis is ceased, there would soon be little food or organic matter on Earth. It's the first and most important component of the food chain. From the energy transfer from plants to humans to the creation of fossil fuels in the world, and even the new trending human consumption of chlorophyll, photosynthesis and plants are very important.